Welcome. Do you ever feel like you're going through the motions in life? Like you might be doing, even when you're doing the right things, but not really feeling connected? Like there's like a gap between you and your life, between you and the people that you love? That's what this workshop is for. This coming home to your heart. It's a space to come back to yourself, to the part of you that knows how to rest, how to feel, how to connect without effort. We'll use meditation, movement, drama therapy, and simple relational practices to help you come home to your heart. Not as a concept, but as a felt experience. I'm offering this on Valentine's Day in person here in the Columbia River Gorge and in White Salmon, Washington, and also online the next morning on February 15th for anybody who wants to join from wherever you are. If something in you is tired of disconnection and ready to come back to yourself, I'd love to have you join us. Welcome.